Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is object. Objects in Salesforce. Objects are database tables that permit to store data specific to an organization. There are two types of objects, a standard object and custom object. A standard object, these are created by Salesforce to meet organizational CRM requirement. This cannot be deleted. For example, account, contact, opportunity, lead, case, and so on. Custom object, objects that are created by the user as per our business requirement. This can be deleted. For example, employee, payment. Objects in Salesforce and other databases. So consider this as a table. Employee is a table and this is the column. One column is first name, one column is last name, one column is phone, email and address, and this is a row. So what is happening in Salesforce? This one, and in other databases like MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle. So in the other databases, this is going to be considered as a table, means employee is a table. Then these are the columns, first name, last name, phone, email, address and so on. And the records are going to be row. So for example, here one record I had shown like this. In the real time there is hundreds of record will be there. So in Salesforce, this table we are considering as a object, means employee as a object. Then column here in the other databases, first name, last name, phone, email, address. Here we are considering this as a field. For this object, this would be a field. And this all the records what is called in the other databases row, that we are treating as a record. So ways to create custom object. Objects created by us are called custom objects, and the standard objects is given by Salesforce itself. Custom objects are objects that we create to store information that is specific to the company or industry. When we are creating the custom object as per our business demand or requirement. There are three ways to create custom object. First is a standard way that we are going to see right now. Second one is schema builder, and third one is metadata SOAP API web services. So this we'll see in the further sessions. Note, object level permission controlled at profile level. For all objects, we are controlling the access at our profile level. So how we are going to create the custom object? So these are the steps given below. Setup, platform tools, objects and fields, object manager, create, then custom object. Step 1, enter object label. Step 2, enter plural label. Step 3, enter object name. Step 4, enter record name. Step 5, choose data type. Step 6, click on save button. We are going to create an object, or can say custom object, as per our need by the name employee. So let's log into our Salesforce account by providing the username and password. Hit the login button. Then we need to follow the step what we had seen in the PPT. So in the previous session we had created employee management system. Let's see. So on the setup, just click on view all or search for employee management system EMS. So this we had created in the previous session. Only the application is there. So now we are going to create for employee management system one object, or we can say a table. So for that what we need to do, click on setup gear icon, setup, refer the PPT, setup, platform tools, object and fields, object manager. In the right side we are saying create. There is a drop down, just click on this, custom object. So here we are going to provide all the details what we had seen in the PPT. So label I am going to provide employee, employees, starts with vowel sound. Yes, it's not mandatory, but yeah, just checking this box. Object name will be employee, and in the whole programming model or automation, by this API it is going to refer for a particular object. Description we can provide. In the real time we have to provide for easy understanding. So enter record name, label and format. Here I am going to provide employee ID. Generally we are seeing the employee ID for a employee in the company. So here I am providing auto number. So employee ID will be, here I am taking the display format E for employee ID hyphen, in the curly braces I am putting here 0 and I am starting from the number 1. So it's look like this. For example, A is here employee ID, EID hyphen, then 0. Put it 2, 3, 4, 5 as per our need. Other features I am allowing allow report, allow activities, track field history, allow in chatter group. Deployment status is deployed. Search, click on search. In the object creation option, available only when custom object is first created. So I am not going to check this box. Launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. If I am checking, then it is populating the tab panel also. Here I am clicking on save button. So this object is created. Here description we had not provided, so it's not coming. In the real time we have to provide. API name employee underscore underscore C. Underscore underscore C denotes that this is a custom object created by the developers as per our business need. This is custom one. Singular we had provided employee, plural we had provided employees. Enable reports checked, tracked activities checked, track field history checked, deployment status is deployed. Help setting standard salesforce.com help window. We can help Salesforce help also we can take. So we had created this employee custom object. Let's see in our application, is it visible or not. So clicking on refresh button, we are not seeing the employee object. So while creating the tab, we are going to know how this object is visible for the employee management system. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.